Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Hyundai Veloster headlight bulb. First, make sure your car is turned off and the engine is cool to the touch. You'll need a new H7 headlight bulb and a flathead screwdriver. Pop open your hood and identify the back of the headlight assembly. This initial preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Taking these few moments now will save you time later. Now let's get to the bulb. You'll likely need to remove a small plastic engine cover. It's usually held by two simple retaining clips that you can unscrew with your fingers or a flathead. Once that's out of the way, you'll see the electrical connector attached to the back of the bulb. Gently pull it straight off. Then, twist the bulb's retaining ring counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn to release it. With the retaining ring unlocked, carefully pull the old bulb straight out. Avoid touching the glass of your new H7 bulb, as oils from your skin can shorten its lifespan. Align the tabs on the new bulb with the slots in the housing and gently push it in until it's fully seated. Then, twist the retaining ring clockwise to lock the bulb firmly into place. This ensures a proper connection and prevents movement. Finally, reattach the electrical connector to the back of your new bulb. Make sure it clicks securely into place. Before putting everything back together, turn on your headlights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly. If it lights up, you're all set. Replace any covers you removed. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.